Okay friends, to get started on replacing our fog lights, it's going to be easiest from under the front bumper. As you can see right along here, you can see the assembly, and of course you can see the wiring. We need to disconnect the wiring. I'm just going to use a pocket screwdriver, just kind of pull on these two tabs a little bit, and then I should be able to pull this down. Take a look, make sure you don't see any funny colors, set that aside. Next we're going to remove our three 10mm headed mounting bolts. Grab your fog light and remove it. All right friends, now it's time to install our brand new fog lamp assembly. Something that I want to show you while it's out is this area right here is your adjuster. Let's go ahead and get this up inside here. Start in all three of your bolts and then we'll snug them up. I'm going to use a tiny bit of dielectric grease on this and we'll connect it in. Make sure it's clipped, give it a nice tug. Perfect. To adjust your fog light, just use a Phillips head, come right through this slot right here. So once your headlamps are properly adjusted, it'll be time to adjust your fog lamps. You'll notice on the driver's side, the focal point is all the way at the bottom right now. I would like to bring it up so it meets up with approximately the bottom of the focal point of the headlight. Some fog lamps have an adjuster, others don't. The ones that do have an adjuster, you would just turn the adjustment to the left or to the right to adjust the beam up and down to where it needs to be. Now with your TRQ headlamps and fog lamps properly aligned, you can drive down the road safely.